Hello everyone. In this quick video, I will show you how to remove a credit or debit card from the Walmart app. First, make sure you are logged in into your Walmart account. In the app, you will land on the home page. Now go to the account section and then settings, the gear icon on the top right corner. Next, scroll and tap on wallet. This is where all your saved payment methods are stored. Find the card you want to remove, then tap on it. If you have a card added, all the information will be filled here. Slowly remove all the information and click Save Card. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Remove again to finalize. And that's it. Your card is now removed. You can always return to this section to add a new one later. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick tutorial. Thanks for watching.